Good morning, everybody. It's an Nvidia day. What a crazy earning. 46% margin. I think Tesla was 30%. This is even getting more crazier than Tesla. So, it's possible does the same that Tesla did, going crazier, higher and higher. But anyway, let's see what's going on. Okay, so ES pre-market right now, 5 is downward, making a new low, 44.62. 15:30 1 hour downward, 4 hour giving a dark blue bar. It's actually the second dark blue bar right now. But it's still the MACD is up. What's interesting is that the daily MACD is curved up, so it's all about Powell tomorrow. 10 a.m. he has a speech, and weekly is still dead cross, but at the same time we got a golden cross here on the stochastic fast, which is a good sign. So let me show you guys something. If this comes up here. So weekly, as you can see here, it got a dead cross, and right now the lines are like this. And but what's possible to happen is if daily MACD golden crosses, if it confirms like tomorrow by Powell, some comes and says something good, it can right away divert and come back and go up again. So that's just a possibility. Keep an eye on the daily. Next for tomorrow, two key things to watch. Either the 4 hour MACD is gonna dead cross, and once that confirms, we're gonna roll down again. Market is gonna go down again. Or if the daily MACD golden crosses, then boom, we're gonna go crazy high, and next week is gonna be very very bullish. So far, Nvidia positive sign. It's holding is still 500, so we'll see the actions today. If you see today, market when open, if the 5 MACD golden crosses from open and then followed by 15, then we can go higher and retest the high of pre-market last night, 44.85. Next target, if market continues going higher, who knows? 45.94 is the next target on ES. NQ pre-market, almost the same. 5 minutes is about to golden cross, but 15:30 1 hour still downward. Daily on the edge to get a golden cross. That's a very very good sign. So if we today pass 15.461, most likely will confirm. And tomorrow, if Powell good, this one does have a chance to go up. And the stochastic fast is already weekly as a golden cross. One thing about a stochastic fast is that this stochastic fast, it always gives an earlier warning than any other indicator. So for example, look here, a stochastic fast got a golden cross on 17, 16, 17, but you see here TTM was still red, and that was the bottom here. So you want to always pay attention to stochastic fast, but at the same time it moves very fast. It's not 100% reliable, but it sure is like 70-75% reliable. So you can see here, until you don't have a stochastic fast dead cross, this can continue going up. And again, another thing to watch here is, like, look here, when the weekly stochastic fast dead cross and it came below this blue line, it was just non-stop fall until it went down, touched down, and came up. So it's really interesting indicator. It's too fast, as high as not as reliable as TTM squeezes MACD, but it always gives earlier warning. Anyway, and Dow Jones and RUT is still red. They're not even green today. And TNX, surprisingly, again green. Come on. Okay, here we go. Daily is on the edge to dead cross. TLT trade worked very well. They went higher, but right now TNX is opening up again, and that's what is causing a little bit weakness in market today. And also DXY, 15:30 is upward. Daily is on the edge to dead cross. It's all about 41.68. Goes below that, it can fall down big. DXY, again, that one is green, causing the pullback on the market. You can see here at 7 o'clock start going up, and even earlier. So just DXY, you put it on S&P 500, it just works the same opposite. So it's about 103.676. You want to see 5 minutes 15 MACD dead cross in order to market goes higher. Otherwise, if DXY fly continues going higher, not gonna be good for market. Pre-market right now looking very bullish on 15:30, 1 hour and 4 hour, and weekly we get the first light blue bar, so that's something interesting to watch. VIX is actually really interesting. The daily MACD is dead crossing, so that means first of all, the lower the VIX goes, VIX when it goes down fast, like look here, when from the open you see when fast go went down, market jumped. Then this speed became slower and market went slower up. So it shows the speed of the movement of the market. But at the same time, when it goes too low, that means less volatility. So doesn't mean like the market is gonna rip up crazy sometimes when it goes too low. Like last time when it went to 13, went all the way down to 13, it made market less volatile. So anyhow, pre-market right now 15:30 is upward. 1 hour is not golden cross yet, but at the same time, this is really interesting that the daily MACD is dead crossing since when it got a golden cross. Since the golden cross since June 26. So keep an eye on VIX. The 1526, if that breaks 1479 and lower level, if it goes above 1586, market pull back and accelerate. S&P 500, let me change this to 5 minutes, 1 day. So S&P target is 4464. It almost touched it last night. So but right now it's rejected it. It's pulled back from it. So that's the target for today. If market jumps at open right now, SPY and QQQ, both of them are 5 minutes are golden crossings, and 15 is giving yellow bar. So where I was. So SPX, if it jumps, target is 44 64 45, and if continues going on and Powell is good, next target is 45 18 29. Anyhow, next BTC was nice jumping yesterday, but no follow through so far. 4 hour is still bullish, so keep an eye on 5 15 and 30. If you see a golden cross on 15 and 30, it can continue going on. It has the potential. 4 hour looking very very promising, but it's still daily and weekly is downward. Apple nice jump up to 180 level, 180 113, and if needs to pass that one, 5 minutes is golden crossing, 15 is showing yellow bar, but it's still 30 and 1 hour is downward. 4 hour giving dark blue bar, so there's mixed signal. Daily is on the edge to get a golden cross. The statistic fast is very promising bullish, and if jumps up past 180 113, next target is 183.2. If Powell is good, all the way go up. And if market continues dropping today, next support is 179.51. I'm not expecting Apple to drop crazy. Amazon followed Nvidia jump up. 137.45. It still is in the weak category. 132 key level to watch this morning. 137.45, 136.19. 15:30 is downward. 1 hour is on the edge to dead cross. So if it passes 137.45, the target is 139.48, 141.52, 136.19. If it can hold it, then it's gonna go retest the lower level. Nvidia, the hottest name. So Nvidia 5 minute, it came down last night. It was down all the way to 495. So that's the level you want to watch. 495. Good morning, Josh. Thank you so much. Yes, please as always like and share. 495 is the high of last night after market. So that's a key level you want to watch. In case it passes, it can go for downtrend. But right now, and the high of yesterday was 520. So these are the two key levels you want to watch: 595 and 520. If does jump at open, continues going up, 511.9 as in first key level, passes that one, 518, 523, 528.93, and if it goes above that, 536, 545.97. That's the next super major level. But again, 495, 493.88, that's a key level to watch. If it can hold it, and then it's going to be profit locking and go lower. I doubt it goes down, but you have to always be ready for unexpected. You never know. Pre-market 5 is golden crossing, so 511, keep an eye on that one. The Baba China was very very green last night on Hong Kong. Everything gapped up. Baba not too much, just 1 point higher. If jumps had open 91.87, 93.53 is the next target. 15.30 1 hour is downwards, so we'll see. Bidu, nice gap up open. It went all the way to 137. Yeah, so 135 right now is hovering around it. If 5 minutes MACD golden cross had opened, one it can fast goes to 136.08, 137.27 and higher level. But if it can hold 137 because 1530 is downward, then it can go retest 133, 131. These Chinese names are very volatile. But the good thing about Bidu is that it got the first blue yellow bar and the statistic fast start golden crossing. So that's a good sign. Then it's on the run up. Netflix, Netflix, what a beauty. If you watched the pre-market yesterday, I told you guys, 423 pass, boom, 437 got it. So, and today, right now, yesterday was funny. Another thing that 5 minutes MACD dead cross. I was looking to play it, and then after this, but after that, the never, sorry, 5 minutes MACD golden cross, dead crossed here, but after that, it never crossed again until close. So it showed some weaknesses yesterday into the close. Right now, 15:30, 1 hour is downward. Need to pay attention to the levels. For now, 423.21, that's the support to watch. If it can hold it, it can go retest the lower level again, 419, 415.81. But if 5 minutes MACD golden cross and 15 and 30 show some signs, it can reverse and go up to 432 and 437. But for now, Netflix recently, last 1 year, usually did like 1 2 days run up. Then it pulled back, then it run up again. So it's probably gonna be rested for Netflix. Anyhow, Meta, nice gap up. It went to 300 last night. 300, where is it? 301.87. So 300.8, that's a key level to watch. If it passes that one, we're looking at 303, 305.84. 1530 is downward, 1 hour is about to dead cross. 297.61, if it can hold it back to 295.76 and lower level. Daily is still no yellow bar. Statistic fast is on the edge to golden cross, most likely it will today. And if Powell good, this one for sure is gonna go and retest the higher level next week. Tesla went all the way to 243 yesterday, after 244 actually. 243, it went to 243 and then this morning opened 244. And right now 1530 is everything dead cross. So if the five, you need to pay attention to the actions that open. If it drops, if it continues dropping, it just has the potential. 237.9 is the key support next. If it can hold it, then retest the lower level 235, 233, and lower level. But if the 5 minutes MACD golden cross passes strong to 39.84, 240, then it can go higher level. And 15, if it shows yellow bar, and if anytime today we got a confirmation on the 15 MACD, next targets is 240, 297, 246.1. And if it goes super crazy, because daily MACD is curved up, and if it gets 1 2 more days green day, it can golden cross. Next target is 248, 252, 256, 54. Microsoft, very nice yesterday, even before Nvidia earning comes out, the daily MACD golden cross, and that was really interesting, and that was a sign that this can continue going higher. And it's on this one, every dip from now on is a buy on it. Right in pre-market, again, same like other name, 1530 is downward. 333.41, that's a support to watch. If you can hold it, 329, 327, 326 next target. But if you see 5 and 15 MACD golden cross past 333.17, thank you very much. We're looking at 336.01, 338.85. Daily MACD is golden cross, so keep an eye on Microsoft. This does have potential to run up. Google, and also keep in mind, Nvidia earning was so good. So now we have to pay attention. Who are the customers? One of the biggest customers, is Microsoft. So the Google. Google was very hot yesterday too, even without Nvidia earning. It was a crazy jump up at open, then run up after hour, and this one is an AI customer, so they need chips. 134.15 passes. We're looking at 135.59 next level. Above that, next major level is 139.36. Pre-market not showing so much bullish sign. 15:30 1 hour dead cross already downward, but 4 hours still very bullish. And yesterday we got the first blue bar, which is really interesting. And they weekly is still in the bull run. AMD went up to 113. Let me just double check. 113.9, and but it pulled back. It's showing weaknesses. Well, AMD is competitor to Nvidia. So if Nvidia is doing too good, AMD should go up. But if Nvidia is doing great, maybe AMD has less customers. Who knows? Maybe I don't know. We'll see. Anyhow, AMD pulled back from 112 to 110. But if Nvidia runs up today, AMD should tag along. So 5 minutes MACD is golden crossing, and 15 is showing yellow bar. There is mixed signal, so you have to pay attention to the levels today, the open. If it passes 111.35, it can go to 112.21, 112.98, 114, and 115.47. If it can hold 110.67 or pre-market low 110.2, then sell down to 109.13, 108.18. Boeing, it got a news about about supply and stuff. They got some bad news. It went down all the way to 219, but it recovered a little bit, so it is possibility it gets sold at open. 218, 220, 220, 79, 218.9. If you can't hold it, we're looking at 214.61, 211.95. 211.695, it is possible to come. Pre-market 15:30 is downward, 4 hours dead cross on this drop, and daily is still we have red bar. So cautious on Boeing. Do not play calls on this one. SPY. So SPY went to near 440. Hit actually 446.42. It hit it, but it pulls back right now. So what levels to watch this for opening is 443.71, 444.75, 445.59, and 446.42. Passes 443 can have a bigger pullback. Passes 446.42, it can run up to a higher level 447, 449.14. Pre-market right now 15:30 1 hour is still downward. Need to get a golden cross on 15 to run up higher. QQQ 375. That's the next major level to watch. 375.1. Doubt it goes red today. It's already 1% higher on NQ. If in any case market gets sold, 370.86 is the next major support there. But QQ it's just some mixed signal and a mixed signal on the charts pre-market. So we have to see the opening action, see what's gonna happen. If 15 we got blue bar, but 30 we got yellow bar. So there's some hope maybe at open jumps. So we'll see. What else you got here? Snow had an earning. If it continues if it jumps at open 164.57, 169.39 is the next target. AVGO follows Nvidia. 905.46, that's the next major level. If it passes, we're looking at 908, 914, 919.75. SMH 161.17, that's the next major level. I should get the levels in between. LRCX, that one. LRCX is just known as the name, doesn't do any action pre-market, so you have to see the actions at open. 692.88 is pre-market high, and if it breaks that one, we're looking at 698.67. That's the key level to watch. Breaks that one, we're looking at 703, 710, and 718.22. The SMCI crazy run up. 301, 306, that's the next major level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 316, 333, 350. But again, pre-market looking 15:30 1 hours dead cross. What else you got? Now need to pass 582.39. Passes that one, we're looking at 588, 595.61 and higher level. What else you got here? Shop was going crazy even without Nvidia, so next key level to watch is 58.76. If it passes that one, next run up is 59, 61, and 63. Keep in mind that a lot of techs right now is gapping up and run up crazy, but other names is still lagging behind. So if next day probably gonna be next sector to, people jump on them. TTD, another name that jumped up crazy yesterday. MDB gap up open, earning after close. After earning should be no, earning is next week. I'm sorry. Earning is next week, so 693. That's the key level to watch. Past that one can run to the 401, 413 and higher level. What else you got here? MRBL has an earning after close today, so that's another one to watch. A Adobe to 543. That's a key level to watch. Past that one can go on to the higher level 549, 554, 559. AMC crazy new all-time low. They did a split 10 to 1, 1 to 10, and right now is making a new rundown. So this one is just these levels I have to fix them. This is from previous split, but this one is just gonna go much lower. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Yes, crazy day ahead. LRC, Microsoft, I did it. And Roku, okay, Roku. Papa Roku pre-market right now. Pre-market 15:30, 1 hours downward. But it's interesting. If you look at the daily, it's staying in a tight range. Every time it comes below 77, 77.18 level, it jumps back up. Jump back up. But at the same time, anytime it gets close to 81, 82 level, it pulls back. So it's going in a very, very tight range. You need to wait for the breakout. 4 hour, we got a we got a dark blue bar. Still, we don't have a yellow bar on the daily, and need to break 81.66 is strong. Then it can run up to 82.31, 83.37, and 84.43. Again, 84.43. It was another level on daily that failed to break here. If you look here at 8.15. So that's what you want to watch. You want to see a strong pass 84.43. That's pretty much it. As always, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you like, join State Option Service, or if you just want level, chartwiser.com. And thank you so much for tuning in, and have a beautiful day.